Hi guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today for cheese sauce.
Yum!
Usually when I make my yellow sauce, which my son calls cheese sauce, vegan cheese sauce, I put nuts in it. And that's a no-no for some people. They're allergic to either tree nuts or peanuts or some kind of nuts. So we have to look for an alternative. This one unfortunately is not gluten-free, but it is nut-free. So let's begin. I've got my kasori pot here all heated up, and this one features nooch. So first thing we're going to do is make a roux. You want to use equal parts of butter, vegan butter, as flour. I don't know if you guys who are gluten-free have tried this, making a roux with gluten-free flour. I think I did. For a while we were mostly gluten-free, and we tried to, as much as we could, eliminate gluten. So I'm used to cooking with gluten-free flour, but it's been a while, so I don't know. I can't guarantee the results. But you want to cook these together, and you want to get the flour brown just a little bit, because if you don't, you're going to have that raw taste of the flour in your sauce, and it's not going to be nice. You just want it cooked a little bit, probably for about 2 or 3 minutes, once all of the butter melts. Okay, another reason why we do it like this is so that all of the oil coats the little pieces of flour, so that when we do add the liquid, it's not going to be lumpy. It's going to lube it up. So let's add some seasoning. I've got like a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt here. I'm also going to add a little bit of turmeric, not so much for flavor, but for eye appeal. This is going to make it look more like cheese because it's got that orangey color. And it's not bad for you. It's pretty good for you. So
it's not garbage, but
no. We're also going to add, for flavor, some Dijon mustard. So this is now ready to add the liquid to. I'm using an unsweetened soy milk in original. Don't try and do this with vanilla unless you like vanilla cheese.
Ew.
Not good. Obviously you could use almond milk, but that's a nut. So we're doing this nut free, so that's why we're using soy today. Ooh, that soy milk just looks so velvety.
Oh no!
Well, that happens, doesn't it? Good thing it's not hot yet.
Yeah.
Alright, so if you have a whisk, you could definitely use a whisk about now to do this. I'm not sure where my non-stick whisk is, you know, because I don't want to put a metal one in there because it's going to scratch the coating on this. But I'm going to do the best that I can to get this all homogeneously blended. And the train is coming through. So I guess we'll check back when this is all lovely and golden and thick. Alright, so all of our lumps are out. I worked some magic with this spatula here. This is the magic ingredient that's going to give it the cheese-like flavor, which is nooch, aka nutritional yeast. So we're going to put a whole ½ cup in there. That seems like a lot, but this is supposed to be like cheese. So now I would not recommend this to replace all of your cheese sauces, because this typically should be eaten hot. So it won't replace like a yellow sauce one that is basically raw. But this would be great over macaroni, like a macaroni and cheese sauce, or over baked potatoes. Ooh. Or hot nachos with like beans and tomatoes and all that. So I'm just going to let this cook for another minute, and then we're going to plate it, and we'll see what Maddie thinks about it. All right, we got our taster here.
You know what this looks like?
No.
That like spreadable pub cheese that's oh so delicious.
Oh yes, okay. Kind of like the cheese in the can?
No!
Oh. Anyway, it's hot, so be careful.
Okay, it always is.
I paired it with some, yeah, I paired it with some thin pretzels. Right off the bat, after tasting it, I just wanted to hit myself in the head because as an addition, I would have added, if it was my recipe, some lemon juice.
Oh.
Just to brighten up the flavor a little bit, like a tablespoon of lemon juice. It's different.
Yeah. It's good though.
You could also add a little liquid smoke if you wanted like a smoky.
Yeah, I would definitely
smoky
add
flavor.
smoke.
Yeah.
It's pretty good though.
It's not bad for just nooch.
Yeah.
You know, without the cashews or almonds or.
Just nooch. It's good.
All right. Well, I hope you guys give it a try, especially if you have some sort of a nut allergy. This is an alternative for you. If you gluten-free peeps out there, make this with gluten-free flour, or you know what? I guess you could probably use some tapioca flour. I think that would probably work pretty well. I think it would be okay. So let me know if you guys have tried it, and if you have any recipes that you would like to see me make or veganize, let me know, and I'll be happy to take a crack at it. Subscribe for more recipes and videos, and until next time, much love.